Hello everybody, got a new project. Okay, this is gonna be Star Wars. Okay, it's the Jedi sound. Right, let's start. It's running. It's uploading. It's a lightsaber. And we have R2-D2, we have a Chewbacca and Vader sound. Okay, I mean 100% sound, but and I've got a video which will show the which sound is playing. Maybe try like this. Sorry, I'm going to put the microphone close. It's a lightsaber off, lightsaber on. And now we're playing R2-D2. This doesn't sound Chewbacca, but yeah. And this is Vader breathing. It's a bit funny. That's TIE Fighter. Lightsaber. Saber Clash. Okay guys, I hope you like. Here's the code. Oh yeah, we don't need any library except the library for the OLED screen. And this one, the pictures, I just put it here, it's a public constant with all the pitches here, okay. The high pitch. That's it. So it picks it up and you work with that here. Okay. And here it's you can add on, because if you want to add on, you just add a case. Here we have a case. You say case 9. Whatever you want to call it, and then here you put, like the blaster, the Lightsaber Clash. We have a void. I can't read. Lightsaber On. Here we have Lightsaber Off, and then we have this one is R2-D2. Those little robots. And then we have void, a Chewbacca, and you have a Vader Darth Vader breath, and TIE Fighter. Okay, oh, that you can add more. If you add more, you're gonna add the void one with the sound pitch, and then you add the case. Okay, so it's a void and a case if you want to add more. Alright, this was just an idea how it works. Back again. Let's try again. Alright guys, thank you very much, have a good Sunday, and please give me a thumbs up if you like it.